channel. It's your girl IJ. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I want to show you guys weight loss smoothie you can prepare at home. So a lot of people have been asking me about my weight loss these days, so I decided to come up with this video to show you guys what I have been taking that have made me to lose weight this much. So let's go to the kitchen. Let me show you how to prepare this weight loss smoothie. I'm using frozen spinach, cabbage, cucumber, apple, broccoli, and frozen green beans. Milk and water. If you don't have fresh milk, you can use just water. Okay, for this smoothie to give you 100% of what you are expecting to see in the next 14 days, you need to mind the way you eat as well. You can't be eating anyhow and take this smoothie and expect it to work for you. Like for me, I do take it in the morning as breakfast, and then by 1 I'll have my lunch. Then before I go to bed, I'll make sure I eat my dinner on time, and then this smoothie will be the last thing that will go into my system. I've been doing this for the past 2 months and it has really transformed me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are finding it hard to lose weight or you lost confidence about yourself, subscribe to my channel. Let's do it together. And in the next 3 months, I promise you, people will be asking you the same question they are asking me. What is wrong with you? You are losing weight. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.